Hey guys, welcome back to MrYouWho, and today we're diving into the Edifier MS50A Smart Speaker, an absolute powerhouse for big sound and multi-room audio. It's got everything you need for a smart connected setup. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, and it even works seamlessly with the Edifier Connect app. Now you can see there is a speaker just there. Now doesn't that look beautiful? Look at that lovely wooden finish, isn't it beautiful? So guys, before we get started, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and stick around because we've got some exciting giveaways to tell you later in the video. Well, let's start with what's in the box. As you get in the box, it has lovely packaging and a great design. It's got a power cable. Now it's worth noting this speaker needs to stay plugged in to keep working. And of course, the user manual for quick setup. The design is stunning. Edifier knows how to blend modern and classic aesthetics perfectly. As you can see guys, it's got a beautiful wooden veneer finish with smooth curves and a removable fabric grille that lets you customize the look. It's sturdy, compact, but portable enough to move around the house. Though it's not battery powered, you'll find it's quite easy to plug anywhere. The touch control at the top there is a standout as well. Swipe your fingers in a circular motion to adjust volume, tap to play, pause or skip tracks. It's responsive, intuitive, and does feel premium. Well, how about the setup? Well, the Edifier MS50A connects seamlessly using the Edifier Connect app, which is available for both iOS and Android. Now guys, here's some simple steps if you wish to do it yourself. So first you plug in the speaker using the cable, download and open the Edifier Connect app. The app will automatically detect the MS50A in setup mode. Then follow the prompts to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. That's it. It is so easy to be able to connect. And guys, we're going to show you in a minute how easy it is to connect the AirPlay 2 to the speaker and be able to play across your room. And we're also going to go into a video in future about the multi-room setup using the other Edifier speakers so you can do it. But you can also pair this one with Edifier Connect to actually have two of these devices playing or other speakers too. So if you're using AirPlay 2 on Apple devices, it shows up instantly in the control center. Just tap and stream, no extra steps. And guys, if you do prefer Bluetooth as well, it works too, doesn't it? So it's just easy to pair to your phone, tablet or laptop. This flexibility makes the MS50A super convenient for every setup. And again, guys, I really enjoy using it. It's amazing to think how much sound comes from such a small speaker. And on that point, let's talk about sound. So the MS50A delivers room-filling sounds thanks to its powerful internals. So what does it have? Well, it has a 4-inch woofer for deep, punchy bass. It's got a 19mm silk dome tweeter, which gives you clear, crisp highs. And it's also got Edifier's DSP technology. So this enables a soundstage to be impressively balanced. Whether listening to vocals, bass-heavy tracks, or instrumental music, the Edifier MS50A handles it all beautifully. Now guys, you know I like to test out my music and test out the tracks. So one of my favorite artists is Fleetwood Mac, and I listened to her Landslide music, and it really brought out the natural warmth of her vocals. And as you guys know, I love house music. I tested out Tiesto's Red Lights, and it was vibrant, energetic, with clean highs and thumping bass. I've also used it for orchestral tracks as well, and there's also impressive separation. You can actually pick out every instrument. I listened to the Star Wars Imperial March, and God, it sounded good. The volume of the speaker is another highlight. For its size, the Edifier MS50A is seriously loud. You can easily fill a large living room or open space with sound without losing clarity. At higher volumes, say 70% and up, there's little distortion, which is unusual in such a small speaker. Now, while the MS50A is compact and easy to move around, keep in mind, guys, again, it's not battery powered, so you'll need to have the cable to be able to take it around. But then again, that's no problem at all, is it?
You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if...
So on a point of Wi-Fi streaming, you can also use Spotify, Amazon Music, or Tidal. And these also work very, very well to be able to pair your music to the sound speakers. You can also set up two MS50As for a wireless stereo setup. So you can open up the app and pair them together. And as you can see here, and what you can do is you can have one speaker on the left and one speaker on the right, and it enables you to have a sound stage no matter where you are. So it sounds really, really good. It's not too heavy either. And really, guys, what I love is you just take it out, plug it in, and start using it. And doesn't it look absolutely amazing? So the Edifier speaker MS50A ticks all the boxes in my opinion. It's got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. It's got great audio. It looks fantastic. You can use it anywhere in your home. As I said, the sound was fantastic. And as you can see from our sound test earlier, it really did pump out some fantastic tunes. So we're going to do a video later where we're going to set up 3 Edifier speakers all around the home so you can see how they all connect, how I go from one room to the next and you can actually hear it. Check out my other Edifier speakers as well. And again, we're doing giveaways. So if you wish to win a Edifier product, check links below. You've got multiple chances to give away and we really want to hand it back to you. But this is a fantastic little speaker and there's purchase links below. So guys, drop me a link. Let me know what you think of the Edifier speaker. Check out our playlist for other Edifier products. Edifier is a fantastic brand and really is leading the world in audio now. So thanks for watching and see you next video from Andy here at MrYouWho.